Hi everyone. Well, I'll just do a little painting for you YouTubers. Let's see what we can do. I've just done a painting for my Patreon group, but it's been quite a long one actually. It was very long, about 45 minutes nearly, so 45 minutes, with details of all the colours and everything for them. So now I'll continue for a little painting with you, and let's see how we can, if I can do a little painting for you. A bit rough, not trying to make anything special. Just a little bit of a painting. Just a very loose, yeah. Yeah, not too much colour. That'll do. And then we'll put a... Are you ready? I'll do your drawing this time for you. Let's do you a drawing. Now this is a few hills here. Right, there's a couple of hills. And this is a lock here, Scottish lock here. And going up to that here, we have, like that, a path. And just over at this side here at the front we have a lot of grasses like that. And this path leading up to the cottage, of course. Here. And we're just looking up to it, so it's like that. We'll give a bit more, let's see. A couple of windows there. Simplicity. Another one at the back of it. Like that. And then another one just here. And then your reeds, grasses at front of it. A bit further down there, that one. And that's your little painting. A tree here going to the back of that. Okay, now there's your little painting. Watch. This is, let me get another brush. This brush, that's, I don't know, sometimes I can't tell the difference with some of these brushes, these squirrel, I can never remember, always forgetting, aren't I? Hey? So, let's have a little bit of a umber and yeah, go a bit of keep it simple. We'll take all these drawing off after. A little bit of light red, I'll do the like that. Put a little bit stronger red for the chimney. Do it all red if you want. Same with that chimney, do it all red. Oh, we'll do it that red. Although it won't make any difference in a minute. Right now, get a little bit of black or any dark colour. Brown will do fine. Most people will use a burnt umber. It's only for these windows here. Just a couple of lines like that. Like that into a door if you like, there. And now this one, little blue in it, brown and blue, make it a darker brown. And I said, well, let's just cover this in. Like that. Are you following this? Not bothered about anything else on it, just do that. Then this, get some water in your brush and just do this. Avoid bit of brown you want. You can do. I don't want them on to a little bit of just a touch. I'll just touch of brown on this. This is the dark side. Same again. Right now, we'll get some cad yellow and some Payne's grey. Where are we up to? Oh, we're up on this. More cad yellow. No, raw sienna or yellow ochre, whichever you fancy. This has got a bit of dirt in it, so it's green in it. Raw sienna, bit of green there. Let's put a little bit of lock in water. Got some alright, we're just here. No, what do we need any more than a bit of what, and okay, just finish it now, eh? Oh, yeah. No. That's it. Nice and loose that, well, isn't it? Now don't forget, this is on Etsy. If you want to join our Etsy, we'll learn how to do this loose painting like we do. Why don't you learn quickly? The easy way, the proper way, not the type of painting half of them are doing from photographs. They couldn't go out and paint because they can only use photographs. Get painting done away with. Simple, but a sketch that you know what it is, you know where you are when you've painted it.